What's up, everyone? It's Lee here from Boother Tools. If you're wondering what a boomerang is, I'll show you one. I'll show you one from an old photo booth that I built, DIY photo booth. Do you like photo booths? I like photo booths. I built like 12 of them. Want to check them out? Let's go to my shop. Now this is the Barnwood photo booth. I built this booth from scratch. Oh yeah. There's computer touchscreen camera, as all my photo booths have. Turn on the photo booth. So on button is just right in the computer there. On button. Bam.
Hello, Smithers. You're quite good at turning me on.
Monolight strobe. Let's connect the lights. I built DIY photo booth, just made out of a DSLR camera, a touchscreen, and a computer. You can build a photo booth out of that. All right, let's check it out. Everything looks good inside. There's computer, touchscreen, camera, as all my photo booths have. Camera's on. All right, this booth is ready to go, so we're just going to try a boomerang really quick to make sure it's running. So a boomerang just takes a clip forward and backwards really quick. So now it's just loading. You can see in the corner there. And there is our boomerang. And SMS should be popping up there. I don't know why it isn't, but we'll try and email this to ourselves. And you can put it in the keyboard, press enter. We do sell blueprints and cutouts and photo booth shells. But anyways, you're here to learn what is a boomerang.